go ahead.
Alright, you're going to put in where FD's station over there by, I think, Malt Lake, head to the west, and then just before you get to the 46 bridge, there's kind of like a turnoff that kind of starts heading towards, looks like Lake Monroe, Volusia kind of side of it all. We've got 2 airboats completely submerged, and you've got multiple individuals on the shoreline. Alert Seminole, just made contact via the PA. All victims are located. We're not missing anybody. And you have an airboat coming in. They might actually have one or 2 personnel on there as well.
512.
And the airboat's coming in now with your first couple. And alert 512, the second boat's coming in with the rest of your victims.